No problem. Okay, turning now to spring cleaning. It's a huge task. It always is. But tackling your chore list can be easier and faster with the right products.
Yeah, Kathryn Emery, a home improvement and lifestyle expert, joins us now with 4 tips to clean smarter, not harder. Kathryn, it is so great to see you.
It's so good to see you, and hi, Lily. Derek, I can't wait to come back and play. I see you guys have a couple items, which is awesome. So I'm excited to talk spring cleaning. Let's do it, right?
Yeah, we have a couple to try out here on set. Let's start, though, with the shop vac. And this is something that you say is a must-own.
Everybody must own. So think about cleaning your spills, anything water-based, any dirt, industrial size messes. This is the Greenworks 60-volt shop dry vac. Okay, so this is a 60-volt shop vac. It can pick up everything and more, things that regular vacuums cannot get. So number one, it's powered by 60-volt batteries. So you get 2 60-volt batteries, or you also have a plug, which is great. So once you get going, I love that it's lightweight, it's compact, it's got these super strong wheels that turn in a 360-degree movement. So I'm moving and grooving. I can clean everything. I love the power because I can get hard to reach areas. So I use it like I get cobwebs up on my ceilings. I don't know if you guys get them too, but it just does everything. And I love it. It's got a 9-gallon tank, so you can move it around easily. But just if you don't own it, do either of you own a wet dry vac?
Yes, and it sucks up water like a champ.
Yeah, I used to.
Seals. Yeah.
But the cordless factor, this is a game changer because you want to be able to move it with you, without having to unplug and replug. So cordless is a game changer.
Yep.
So much so. And I love that you can plug it in because, a lot of people feel like they want that power. So that hybrid, it's like now we have hybrid vacuums like we have hybrid cars. I just love it.
What is something to think about in the kitchen?
I love that you asked that, Lily. So everybody needs to change their trash can. I mean, think about when's the last time you changed yours? Go hands-free with your trash can. So this is the Rubbermaid Premier Series 3, and I love it because, okay, here's the thing, because you guys have one in studio with you. So number one, I love this wide foot pedal. Because think about it, when you go, you don't want to use your hands ever because that's where all the germs are. So look for a super wide foot pedal. I like the way this looks because it has really clean lines. It's got this stainless charcoal, so it really blends in with the kitchen. It matches all the appliances. Here's something I love, the lock lid. So see, I'm peeling a carrot here. I like to cook in the kitchen a lot, so I love this lock lid. And then it's got a liner lock, so it holds the bag in place. It doesn't slip down. Like, when you go to throw something away in the bags at the bottom of the trash can, it's so frustrating. And then it's got interior venting, so when you pull that trash can out, it's not going to rip. It's a trash can, right? It's not like glamorous, but these are all things that we experience in every day. So why not get something? And the price is great for all of these features. So just a great item from Rubbermaid. Their Premier Series 3 just came out, and I love it. This is at homedepot.com. But, I mean, look, it matches everything, right?
How much?
Yeah, how much?
You know what? Off the top of my head, I don't know. You got to check out my website, Be the Best Home. I'll pop it up there. I should know that, though.
Worth the investment. All right. Am I reading this correctly? Light bulbs that can help fight germs? What do you mean?
You know I geek out on my light bulbs. So Sylvania has come out with a LightSHIELD germicidal light bulb. You guys have it right there.
Yeah.
All you do is screw in the light bulb and you turn it on, and it will help fight germs and odors. So what happens is the natural air circulation will bring germs and odors in contact with the LightSHIELD surface of the light bulb, and it will decompose, disinfect, and neutralize germs and odors in the air. Now, these are just everyday 60-watt light bulbs. You can get them in soft white, so kind of that like yellow glow that you like, or daylight, and you can get floodlights, or you can get the A19 for your light bulb. So you could put these in your overhead. But isn't that amazing? They last 10 years. So why not have that extra? We're also worried about germs these days. Why not have that extra protection in your light bulbs? Isn't that incredible?
I know, I love it. One last question for you. We're running out of time. What's a different way to clean that people haven't thought about?
Okay, have you guys heard of a steam mop?
Yes, I have.
We have one. Yeah, it's one of Brandon's favorite tools.
Isn't it great? So this is a healthy green way to clean because you actually use steam technology. You don't need to use any cleaners. All you'll do is you'll put water in the chamber and then the steam will come out, and that steam and that heat will actually kill all those dust mites, dirt. It uses that heat. This is great for people with allergies because think about it. You don't need to use any chemicals or anything. It's simply water. And they say use water like filtered water. That way it doesn't clog it up. And make sure, obviously, your floor can handle the heat and the water. But just a great, clean, easy, green way to clean.
Yeah, it's great. It's very effective. Kathryn Emery, we got to leave it there. Thanks so much for all the tips.
Kathryn.
Thank you. Great to be here with you guys.
And for a link to the products we featured today, you can visit our website, HoustonLife.tv.
Okay, now let's get a check with Joe Sam, who's sharing a way you can have breakfast all the